Well, it's flooded here, so we're kind of just swimming through the flood. This is a street right now. It's pretty bad. So yeah, and that's it's really flooded. Yeah, and it goes all the way over there, and then it's not flooded. So it's pretty bad. So we probably should get out of it. It's getting deeper and deeper. Oh, I just hit it. Okay, wait. And there's a grass ski.
Hey, look over here.
There's a big, and then here's what that is. It's pretty deep. Waves. Look, it's a boat. Just kidding. It's gone. It's pretty bad. People are trying their best to get around, but it's not working very well. And this is in Navarre, Florida.
Hey, Jake.
What? It's pretty damn bad. And then there is this is the medium. It goes down pretty far. It's that deep.
Hey, Jake.
Yeah.
Video me and Savannah.
So yeah, there you go. Pretty bad.